Lagos Education District 6 has organized a counseling workshop for its counselors to equip them with the necessary skills to curb unruly behavior among students and help them become well-behaved individuals.
The motive behind it is to encourage our counselors not to give up with their services to students, because the students we have in our schools today, they need help. Most of them, their parents leave, before the break of the day to their various businesses, leaving the children behind with neighbors, with brothers, uncles, and so on. So by the time they get to school, a good counselor will be able to observe the needs of that particular student. In today's workshop, training and retraining counselors, it will encourage them to be able to perform more and improve in their services to the students in our schools.
The workshop has as a theme counseling for rebirth, behavioral transformation, and attitudinal change. Topics discussed include the roles of school counselors in the students' choice of career and the roles of school counselors in curtailing maladaptive behaviors in schools.
The roles of the counselors or school counselors is majorly to bring back the individual that is already maladjusted to consciousness of what is not acceptable in the environment. But first of all, before a counseling in such aspect can occur, the counselor must be able to identify the individual being involved in that maladaptive behavior. The identification is number one. After that, then counseling will come in.
There are some factors the counselors must look out for in asking us, the student, to choose a career. Like I've said, we have ability. The first thing is interest. The interest, do they have the interest? The second one is ability, the aptitude, the academic performance, and societal needs. That is, the prospects. Okay, you have the interest, you have the ability. Does it fall in line with what the society needs? So these are the things, these are the factors the counselors need to look out for in asking the student to choose a particular career.
The counselors commended the organizers who are promising to make good use of the knowledge acquired at the workshop.
I've learned how to help maladaptive learners through different processes. The first one is the process of cognitive behavioral therapy, exposure therapy, talk therapy, anger management, and so on and so forth.
It is the job of the counselor to actually find out from these students that if they have a passion for that career they want to do. If they don't have a passion for it, it is our duty as counselors to invite their parents and tell them that this child will be better in this field. So let's, allow them to follow their interests so that the children can be useful to the society and themselves in general.
Giving the counselor themselves training, that one will be able to make them to use whatever they have gained here, to use it for the students, even in their various schools, to curb this unruly behavior or to reduce it drastically.
The management of Lagos Education District 6 says it will continue to train and retrain its counselors for effective service delivery.